Thanos picked up Tony's mechanical head, only to find it was empty inside. Enraged, Thanos crushed the mechanical head. Earlier, the Avengers had teamed up to subdue him, and Thor struck Thanos with his hammer. As they were transporting Thanos, they encountered Red Skull surrendering. This struck Captain America as strange. There was no way Red Skull would surrender, so everything happening now was a lie. He called on everyone to attack Thanos together. The illusion was shattered. They tried to remove Thanos' glove, but Thanos knocked them down. Iron Man was shattered by a single blow. At that moment, when the mechanical head was picked up, they discovered it was empty. It turned out, Tony had never truly entered the armor. He had been working at the Avengers Tower on Earth all along. Thanos had already used up all 5 Infinity Stones, but Tony had gathered all their data. Tony's plan was to create a defense robot to combat the stones, but before he could begin, Thanos teleported him into space, and used the stones to control the other Avengers, preventing their intervention. Thanos was determined to kill Tony, believing Tony had been toying with him. Tony quickly activated the weapon system. Despite its flaws, it was still powerful enough to challenge Thanos. Thanos unleashed the full power of all 5 Infinity Stones, launching his most devastating attack, but the weapon system easily neutralized everything. Thanos attacked again, but his strike failed once more, watching helplessly as the weapon system took his Infinity Gauntlet off. There was no challenge. Thanos was no match for the Avengers, and was quickly subdued. Tony tried to reclaim the gauntlet, but the weapon system refused. It turned out, the system had a flaw. Ultron had infiltrated and hacked it. Once Ultron transformed, he knocked out the Avengers with a single punch. Since the weapon system's body was synced with the data from the Infinity Stones, Ultron successfully absorbed the power of all 5 stones. He flew into space. The Guardians of the Galaxy arrived on Earth, and took Thanos away. The Thanos crisis was over, but a greater threat awaited the Avengers. Ultron had become even stronger than Thanos.